What's the difference between 4G and LTE? If you're one of the billions of people who use these services, you may be wondering what the difference really is. Are they one and the same? Well, it's complicated. So here's a primer on the similarities and differences between 4G and LTE. First, let's talk about what 4G actually is. 4G is the fourth generation of mobile network standards, as defined by the International Telecommunications Union, or ITU. The ITU defines 4G as having a maximum of 100 milliseconds delay, with a peak download speed of 1 gigabit per second, and a minimum of 100 megabits per second, for a 10 megabits per second average. Now let's talk about LTE. So LTE stands for long-term evolution, and is a specific technology that was marketed as 4G when it first came out in 2011. But it doesn't exactly meet the initial strict speed criteria set by the ITU for true 4G. However, over the years, the term 4G has been applied more broadly to describe a range of technologies that offer similar performance to true 4G. And since most people experience LTE Advanced, which offers speeds equivalent to true 4G, we'll use that as our standard for this video. Here's a table summarizing the key differences between 4G and LTE. As you can see, the main difference between them is the maximum download speed. True 4G is faster than LTE, but as I mentioned earlier, most people already have access to LTE Advanced, which provides similar performance to true 4G. In addition to the speed differences, 4G and LTE also have different latency requirements. Latency refers to the amount of time it takes for a signal to travel from one point to another. For example, if you're trying to play a video on your phone, the latency is the amount of time it takes for the video to go from the server to your phone. 4G has a maximum latency of 100 milliseconds, while LTE has a maximum latency of 50 milliseconds. This means that LTE is more responsive than 4G. So which one should you choose? If you're looking for the fastest possible speeds, then you should choose a provider that offers true 4G. However, if you're looking for the best value or you don't need the fastest speeds, then LTE Advanced will be more than enough for most people. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.